Chinese technique for baby-like skin. Why does a Chinese doctor recommend that his patients put toothpaste on their tomatoes? This mixture may seem strange, but when you find out what it's good for, you'll thank me. Did you know that almost 80% of the population has skin imperfections, especially on the face and private parts? Today, I'm going to teach you how to prepare this powerful homemade trick. It has surprised many people with the incredible results it provides. Stay until the end to find out where to use this recipe, and in this video, you'll understand why many people mix toothpaste with salt and sugar. Toothpaste contains a component called sodium fluoride, which, when mixed with tomatoes, does wonders for your beauty. I'm sure your friends will ask you about this recipe. Since many women are making the most of this powerful trick, if you want to look younger, eliminate imperfections, wrinkles, and leave your skin baby-like, stick with me to the end. To start this recipe, cut a tomato in half. Then divide it into small pieces. Put the tomato pieces in a blender and blend for a few minutes until they are completely liquid. This is amazing and you'll love the result. Pour the liquid into a container, but don't forget to strain the contents. To remove the residue, add 3 tablespoons of tomato juice to a container and, finally, a tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well until the ingredients are completely combined. Now apply the mixture to the stained areas of skin using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse with plenty of soap and water. This trick can be done daily and you'll see results when those pesky spots start to disappear. It eliminates burns, scars, and bruises. Now that you know the tomato with toothpaste trick, it's time to explain the use of toothpaste with sugar and salt. Many people suffer from dark spots. But by mixing toothpaste, sugar and salt, we get the perfect combination for eliminating blackheads. How do you do it the right way? Start by adding a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Then add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well until everything is completely homogeneous. Apply this mixture to your nose, massaging lightly for 2 to 4 minutes. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with soap and water. This trick can be done 3 times a week at night, and you'll see how quickly spots, wrinkles, expression lines, and crow's feet disappear. If these imperfections bother you, do it today. I'm sure you'll love the results and share them with everyone. If this tip was useful to you, it could also be useful to your friends and family. I'll stop here. A big kiss and God bless you.